How to fix Discord stuck on connecting. Firstly, you can try to restart Discord. If you have the Discord application, then completely close the application and again try to open it. Secondly, restart your PC or phone, whatever you are using. Then also check Discord's server. Sometimes the problem is on their end. Also, make sure to check your network connection. Make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your current network is lagging, then forget the network and re-add the same network or a different one to see if that works. If you have enabled any type of VPN or proxy, then disable those. If none of these options are working, then update or reinstall Discord. But before that, make sure to clear cache of Discord. Press Window key plus R key to start this run dialog. In the run dialog, type in %app data %, then give a slash and type in the app name, which is Discord. Now delete the cache, code cache and GPU cache folders. After that, again restart Discord. So that's all for today. Thank you.